So coming up here in just 2 weeks' time, Sydney will be welcoming the International Astronautical Congress. This is the world's largest space industry conference. And so they'll be there's 6,000 delegates coming from around the world to talk the latest in space technology, moon landings, robotics, and all the other science that wraps around that.
Wow.
And so my good friends from the Chippendale Collective, who are a community of all the businesses and venues in this neighbourhood, pitched to the New South Wales government that instead of that 6,000 delegate event having their usual like opening night drinks at the ICC, they're taking over Kensington Street and Spice Alley. And so they're going to have a uniquely Sydney experience here.
Oh, yeah. That is...
And so it's thinking differently about how we use the neighbourhood, how we bring to life and ensure that our visitors and our partners from around the world get to uniquely experience this area. So really grateful.
That's a good idea.
Really grateful to the great work of Investment New South Wales and the Office of the 24-Hour Commissioner in realising opportunities like that.
Yeah.
It's the friends. How do you scale past one?